This is our channel, Singles and Spouses, a channel that is built to bless singles, to bless spouses, and those that are
In between.
in between.
All right. My name is Uzamaka Omiale.
And I'm Oluto Omiale.
Okay. All right. So today's question, interesting one. She says, I've liked this guy for a while now from a distance, and I recently found out that he likes me. I have no idea how she did, but he is too shy to walk up to me. Am I supposed to do anything?
It's what we call from a distance. Oh God, distance relationship. Anyways, so the thing about this is it's tricky. I'm hoping that you are not the one that is getting lost there. Yeah, it might just be that you are imagining things. The guy, it might be the way his face is normally. He might not be smiling at you. Yeah, but if you are really getting any cues from him, I'm also worried because usually guys, they know what to do. The worst is they're going to fumble, but they know what to do. A guy should know what he needs or what he wants, and he should go for it. However, if this one is a rare situation and is the kind of person that will not make the move on time, I believe that you are in a setting, by settings I mean a church or an organization where you can get someone that is an elder, someone that is a leader, someone that is your pastor to talk to him. So tell the pastor about him that you feel that this person is interested in you, you're also interested in him. Is it possible they help you talk to him? They can interrogate him stylishly and try to get him to at least confide in them that yes, truly I like her. Then they can now give him tips on this is how you should go far. It's just a trick I feel might work.
That's a very serious one. Go and tell pastor that since one boy likes you.
Yeah. If the person is your
what me I think that she should do is just make yourself available. You know, like Pastor K will say, at least be available, be there. For example, now they are advertising singles hangouts, and you know him, you talk to him, ask him, is he going? And be available, be there. You know, there is a program, there is something, there is a group, there's a project you're working on. Be part of it, try and be there, and then don't be the kind of person who after service you're running out of the gate before the grace is shared. Make sure that you are making yourself around. So if he's shy, you are basically putting yourself out there for him to be able to have an opportunity or something that will make him talk to you. Like I said, working on the project together, working on something together, maybe going to the hangout together or something. You know, just put yourself out there, make yourself available, make it easier for him to approach you so that he can now say, you know, whatever it is on his mind, you know. So basically, make yourself available, put yourself out there, try to join groups that he is part of, projects he's working on. There is a singles hangout and stuff like that. Be there, be available, talk to him. You can even talk to him and say, oh, hello. You can sit near him. Maybe the offering envelope in church, say, let me pass it. You know, just something that will put you out there, that will start a conversation for someone who is shy. That's just what he needs. And then that's it. You take it up from there. So make yourself available. Instead of directly approaching him to say, I like you, you like me. No, be available. Yeah.
But some men, no matter how available your availability, they will not say anything. They need someone to prompt them.
If he doesn't say anything, leave him. He's not serious.
Because they need someone to prompt them.
And that's what I'm saying. Make yourself available. Talk to him. Do something around him that make him start talking, and then you help him from there.
Because some ladies have been available like that for years.
And if he's not saying anything, then it's either you're wrong that he likes you, or he should just go and sit down, because you can't do everything for him. At some point, he needs to do something for himself. So are you going to propose to yourself? Are you going to plan the wedding? Are you going to come and pay your bride price? What? So he has to take responsibility.
So if this doesn't work, and getting an elder to talk to him, to prompt him actively does not work, then pray to God about it. Pray to God about it. You've done your best, because he needs to make the move. Like my wife has said, the man needs to be the move maker. You understand? He needs to be the one to activate
covenant initiator, according to Pastor K.
Hallelujah. All right, so that's it. We believe that that's helpful. We pray for all the young ladies out there. single ladies, that you're going to find your man, you're going to find the right one, and you will give us or send us testimonies of your marriage. Bye.
Bye.